Hello everyone. Let's say you are a product owner or you are working in a support organization and there is a product you sell to the customers and one of your customers reached out to you that they are observing a problem with the product you are supporting. And um, in today's video, I just want to give you another tip which was super powerful and I use it a lot and it helped me. Um, while working with the customers, you have to really use the best practices because um, if you are a person that's working in a support organizations, the expectations from you usually is how to resolve the problem faster, right? And from my best practices, one of the tips is asking right questions. If you ask the right questions, then you can narrow down the problem. And in today's tip, one of those questions is the following: how many users are impacted? By knowing the answer to this question, we literally can understand whether this is really urgent issue or whether this is a normal scenario. Let's say out of 100 users, this is what customer respond to you. We have 100 users using your product and only one of them is impacted. So by knowing only one user is impacted, we can say this is normal issue, it's not urgent, and we can now balance our work because in many cases we are working on other difficult issues scenarios, and by knowing there's one user impacted, we balance our work. And second of all, if you know there's only one user is impacted, um, this is already narrowing down the problem to the user's system. It could be the user's browser, OS, it could be the user network, and so on and so far, right? So this is narrowed down the problem to user's system, the user itself. But if the customer responds there's 70 users impacted out of 100, this is treated already urgent issue, right? And by knowing there is 70 users impacted, but 30 users are still not impacted, then you start compare those 30 and 70 user differences. For instance, I'll give you an example. The 70 users are on Windows machine, but these 30 users are on a Mac OS machine. Now we can rule out the Mac users. We focus on the Windows users, and there is a couple of things that we can go even deeper, but this is all I wanted to share for today, and I think it will be helpful if you use it in your daily work. Thank you.